Meaning of disconnect.
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 Disconnect. The term disconnect refers to the act of separating or disassociating one thing from another. Depending on the context, it can mean a physical separation or an emotional detachment. Disconnecting may result in different outcomes, such as cutting off communication between two people, breaking a connection between devices, or isolating oneself from a particular situation. In general, to disconnect means to cease or interrupt a relationship, communication, or interaction with someone or something else.